Welcome to the Tech Channel, where we carefully evaluate products based on their quality, design, and affordability. In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best music speakers under $200. We've carefully selected these speakers based on their sound quality, durability, features, and overall value for money. Please check the video description for links to all the products mentioned in the video. So, let's dive right in. A user-friendly micro-drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts, the DJI Tello. Through the use of 2 antennae and an HD camera, it guarantees simple flight and steady video transmission. Longer flight lengths are made possible by a large battery, while one-tap tricks are made possible by a DJI-powered controller. With capabilities like S-shots for synchronized videos, the drone's sophisticated image processor takes stunning pictures and videos in well-lit areas. Night flying is doable, with a top speed of 17.8 miles per hour. Control is possible using appropriate controllers or mobile apps. The Tello lacks a built-in GPS and has brushed motors with an average lifespan of 40 hours. It's a durable, lightweight choice that is affordable and great for learning how to fly a drone. The DJI Mini 2 SE drone is a compact powerhouse for beginners and enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, it offers portability and potential regulatory benefits. A 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth footage, while upgraded motors handle winds up to 24 miles per hour. With 31 minutes of flight time and 10 kilometers HD video transmission, it provides an immersive experience. Capture 12MP photos and 4K videos with its camera, featuring RAW capability and gimbal stability. The user-friendly DJI Fly app aids beginners, and its sub-250 grams weight can have regulatory advantages. Compact and budget-friendly, the Mini 2 SE inherits key features, making it an accessible and versatile choice. The Autel Evo Lite Plus drone competes with DJI's popular models, resembling the Air 2s with its foldable design. It boasts a large sensor camera with variable aperture, capturing 6K 30p video, and offers a 35-minute flight time, surpassing rivals. Equipped with a night mode for low-light imaging, its higher cost is justified by valuable features, including extra batteries and the premium bundle for frequent users. The drone excels in flight control and video quality, directly rivaling DJI's Air 2s. Tailored for aerial photography, the Autel Evo Lite Plus provides a compelling alternative with its unique offerings. The DJI Air 2s is a premium drone designed for user-friendly experience. It boasts a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 22mm lens, fixed at f2.8 aperture, capturing 20MP photos and various videos, including 5.4K 30p, 4K 60p, and 1080p 120p. 4-way obstacle sensing enhances safety, while its 31-minute flight time exceeds competitors. DJI's advanced image transmission tech ensures a stable link. Weighing 595 grams, it's highly portable. At $799, it's pricier than rivals, but justified by its feature-rich nature. Automatic functions like master shots simplify video creation. Overall, the DJI Air 2s targets aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Introducing the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a groundbreaking lightweight drone that redefines aerial exploration. Its cutting-edge features cater to both drone enthusiasts and professionals. With 4K video and 48MP photo capabilities, your moments are captured with unparalleled clarity. Enjoy an extended 34-minute flight time, confident navigation through tri-directional obstacle sensing, and the security of return to home. Unleash your creativity across a 12-kilometer flight range. The 48MP main camera ensures exceptional image detail. Weighing under 249 grams, it's exempt from many flight regulations. Quick charge in 1.7 hours and up to 512 GB external memory support enhance your experience. DJI Mini 3 Pro redefines drone potential, making it an essential tool for sky-high creative expression.
Thank you for watching the Tech Channel. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech-related content.